In this video, we are going to see that if you come across this issue while browsing any website on any browser, which says, we are having trouble finding that site. We can't connect to the server at www.google.com, or let's say whatever is the site. Here's how you can quickly solve it. And we are going to see a couple of solutions. One of them might work for you. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, we will go to the network adapter settings. Just go to the start menu and simply write here ncpa.cpl. It will show you a direct link to it. You click on that and it will take you to the network area. From here, we just right click on it. Whatever is your main internet connection, just disable it once. And once that is done, right click again to enable it. So refreshing this solves the problem most of the times. And after that, just try accessing the website and hopefully it should be able to access it. But if it doesn't, and let's say that you're using any browser, you just go to the three lines at the top right hand corner and head over to the settings at the bottom. On the left hand side, we have the privacy and security option, and you will get the option of increased protection, no protection, all of those options. But under the DNS provider, if it is selected to Cloudflare, let's say, we just try changing it to anything else. Most probably Google Public DNS works best in most of the cases. You choose that, or you can try a couple of them, whatever works for you. Close out of here, or maybe just go once to some other section and check again if that is saved. Yes, it is. Close out of here and then re-access the website. And this should work as well, as you can see. So we try to change that, and whatever works for us, we'll change it to that. So right now I am selected to, let me just show you, I'm selected to OpenDNS. So whatever works for you. And finally, the last option is you go to the three lines, click on the help. In the help center, you just try to troubleshoot. But again, that should be a problem with the access browser sometimes. So I've changed the access DNS, and now you can just define the issue and run a troubleshooter there, and that should work as well. But that is a lengthy solution. I hope the earlier two solutions will definitely work for you. Just comment down below if that works for you, and I will see you in the next one.